This miracle recipe will help you get rid of wrinkles on face and have smooth skin. Over time, wrinkles on your face appear more and more, but to remove them is not difficult. Do you know how to stimulate skin regeneration to remove facial wrinkles? Here is the answer. The effective homemade anti-facial wrinkle recipe guided by our channel. Just applying it to your face will help you get rid of wrinkles and have smooth skin in a short time. Go to any markets and you can buy these available and familiar ingredients. The first ingredient is lime, or you can also use grapefruit juice. Limes are a rich source of pure vitamin C. This vitamin is well known for its potent anti-aging effects due to its role as an antioxidant. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which results in firmer, younger-looking skin. It even reduces hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone over time. Now, cut one lime in half. And squeeze 1 teaspoon of lime juice into a clean bowl. Next, to boost the anti-aging effects, you need to combine lime juice with yeast. Yeast is rich in terms of vitamin B complex. This is good for reducing wrinkles. When you regularly apply a yeast mask to moisture and refresh your skin, your wrinkles will decrease and the oil balance of the skin will be obtained. You will need 10 grams of yeast for this mask recipe. Pour it into the lime juice bowl. Now, finish the preparation by adding 250 ml of water into a saucepan. Then, put the bowl that contains lime juice and yeast into the saucepan. Turn on the heat and heat the water. The water doesn't need to boil. During the heating process, add some water to the bowl. And stir well with a spoon until it's turned into a dense paste, and you can use a spoon to check its condensation. Then, remove the mixture from the heat and wait until the mixture cools down completely. After this time, your skincare mixture is ready. Here's how to use this mixture to remove wrinkles on your face. Use a spoon and spread the mask on your face. Make sure that you wash your face before applying this mask. You can move the spoon in a circular motion to massage your face, making it easier to absorb essence. Then, leave the mask on your face for 20 minutes. Finally, wash your face. Let it dry and apply extra moisturizer such as aloe vera gel, vitamin E, rosemary oil, or coconut oil, except for oily skin. Apply this mask twice a week and you will achieve a surprising effect. Your face is as young and soft as a baby's skin. no area for wrinkles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.